Everyone keeps asking me about the Miele S1 Parquet Flex Bagged Canister. Fine. Here's the real story. Look, I'm gonna be upfront, there's one thing that's been bugging me about this vacuum, and it's the price tag. Real talk, it feels expensive, even for something as high quality as Miele. I mean, we're talking $800 plus shipping for a bagged canister vacuum. That's not cheap. But here's the thing, despite that hefty price tag, I've gotta say it, this vacuum has been a game changer for me. Specifically, it's made cleaning my hardwood floors so much easier and faster than any other vacuum I've ever used. And let me tell you why. First off, there's the Parquet Twister floor head, that thing is a beast. It captures fine dust and allergens with ease, leaving my floors looking like new again. And because it's designed specifically for hardwood, laminate, tile, and other delicate surfaces, I can finally clean all of those areas without worrying about scratching them up. But what really won me over was the Air Clean Plus filter. This thing is a total powerhouse when it comes to capturing allergens and dust particles. I have asthma, so seeing the filter's MERV 14 rating made me jump out of my seat, in a good way. It's like having my own personal air purifier right in my vacuum. And then there's the FiberTQ Universal Floor Head, that thing is super versatile. I can use it on all sorts of surfaces, from hardwood to tile to laminate, and it just glides along effortlessly. Plus, the crevice tool is long enough to get into those tight spaces without having to contort myself into a pretzel. But what about the bag? You know, the part that used to be so annoying, bag changes taking forever, vacuum getting all dusty. Well, the Miele S1 Parquet Flex uses a self-sealing filter that makes bag changes a breeze. No more messy cleanups or wasted vacuum time. Now, I was not expecting such high-quality performance from a canister vacuum. And let me tell you, this thing delivers. It's like having two vacuums in one, the powerful canister unit and the lightweight handheld wand. So here's the verdict. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance bagged canister vacuum that'll make your life easier, look no further than the Miele S1 Parquet Flex. And yes, $800 does feel expensive, but trust me when I say it's worth every penny. Hit that subscribe button if you're tired of buying things that disappoint. I've got you. Links in the description. Take care, see you in the next video.